Today I'm off to Domino's. They brought out a new Southern BBQ Chicken range of pizzas. Well, there aren't only 2 pizzas in the range. One's a smoky barbecue chicken pizza, and the other one is a Hot Honey BBQ Chicken pizza. I'm thinking I might try the Hot Honey one today. And they've also got a new strawberry thick shake, which I'm keen to try. So let's whip on into Domino's, grab them, suss it out, and see what they're like. Let's go. All right, here we go. The new Southern BBQ Hot Honey Pizza and the new strawberry thick shake. Now, this pizza is normally $15, $10 on a Tuesday, and this thick shake is $8. Anyway, I've noticed they've got a new box. It hasn't even got any red in it. Now, this one is supposed to be bigger than the smoky barbecue one because that one's only $8. So if you want to spend less, grab that one. But this one, it's got some weight about it. I've got the scales. Let's see how much it does weigh, approximately. All right. Well, you're looking at about the 710 gram mark for this pizza. Minus about 120 grams for the box. You're looking at around the 560, 580 gram mark for the pizza, which isn't too bad. And the drink, 470 odd grams. Well, I'm guessing that relates to about 450 milliliters. So, pretty decent size. Anyway, I can't wait to suss this pizza out, so let's have a look. La da 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 da. Whoa! Take a look at that bad boy. Now, the Hot Honey BBQ Chicken is supposed to be topped with pulled chicken, crispy bacon, tomato, capsicum, red onion, and mozzarella, all on a barbecue sauce base and drizzled with sweet hot honey. We can definitely see the crispy bacon on there. There's quite a lot on there today. You see the capsicum, some red onion. There's a decent amount of cheese. That looks like the barbecue sauce there. Looking pretty interesting. And by the way, this pizza is about 26 centimeters long, 10 inches. It is. Well, 10 inches is definitely something to be proud of. Unless you're a pizza, of course. Now, the first thing I do notice is the smell of this pizza. It's got a funny smell. I think it's a hot honey, and it's not the greatest smell in the world, but it could have the greatest taste. Let's see if there's any pizza cheese stretch. I doubt it because it's been like 10 minutes since I bought it. Nah. I wasn't expecting any. Anyway, I can see there's lots of hot honey sauce on the bottom. Anyway, let's give it a go, see what it's like. Oh. Who would have thought hot honey sauce with barbecue and pulled chicken doesn't go together? Obviously not Domino's. But I didn't even try this new pulled chicken. There's some here. Let's try some bits and pieces of it. See if it's any good. It's got a nice crispy, overcooked almost sort of flavour and taste. It tastes alright. Probably should have put it on the pizza that doesn't have hot honey sauce on it though. Ooh, man, first bite in, I'm changing pieces already. Try and get another piece that might taste better. Wish me luck. Oh man, what were they thinking? I really am trying to find something good and positive to say about this pizza. But I don't think horrible and inedible is very positive. Man, I'm really struggling to eat this. This is like, hey, there's a fly in my car. Do you want it? Please? No, the fly doesn't even want it. I'll have another bite though. Go away, fly, you're no use to me. Oh. This pizza is horrible. Lucky I've got a strawberry thick shake to wash it down with. Now the strawberry thick shake is a smooth strawberry puree topped with a swirl of whipped cream. Now the gorgeous employee who made my pizza and this thick shake today did spend a lot of time on the thick shake. I was amazed actually how long it takes to make one of these things. Anyway, it does have the thick whipped cream on top. And just to let you know, I am not a big strawberry fan. Well, I love strawberries, but just not in these thick shakes. Unless you're at the Royal Show exhibition. Theirs are really good. Anyway, let's give... Oh boy, that's got some good thickness. Anyway, let's give this a go. See if I can suck it up the straw for starters. Nice and easy to suck.
That's what she said.
And the flavour of it isn't too bad actually. It's quite strawberry flavoured and, well, ice cream. Very creamy, very smooth, very pureed, very tasty. I don't even think I'll chuck this one in the bin. But I wonder what score I'll give these out of 10. Well, this pizza today, I should have known by the smell of it, it wasn't going to be any good. And, well, my nose must know because it knew that this smelled horrible. And when I tasted it, it tasted even worse. There was nothing good about this pizza. The hot honey sauce, I don't know who came up with that idea. Whatever person did should get the sack. No, I'm only joking. Don't sack him. But the flavour of this, I don't know how it passed through quality control and got signed off, but horrible. There was nothing good about it. Smells horrible. It looks nice, but the taste, oof, mate, it's just nothing that I could find good about this pizza. Come on, it can't be that bad, surely. Surely. Oh. Yeah, it is that bad. Now, I'm pretty sure it's just a hot honey sauce that is making this inedible. So if you do want to get the hot honey Southern BBQ chicken, maybe ask not to put the hot honey sauce on there because, seriously, it is like horrible. And the thick shake, well, it was smooth, creamy, strawberry, and delicious. It was really tasty, actually. For someone who doesn't like strawberry, well, I wouldn't get one again because I don't like strawberry. But if you did like strawberry, I'm pretty sure you're going to like this. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Hot Honey Southern BBQ Chicken Pizza and the Strawberry Thick Shake, well, I reckon these deserve a... Yep. No! Well, the thick shake, $8, 450 odd mils. Tastes all right. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. And the Hot Honey BBQ Chicken Pizza, inedible, smells terrible, tastes just as bad. $10, 15 on a non-Tuesday. Yeah, I'll give that a 1 out of 10. This is honestly the worst Domino's pizza I've ever had. I don't know how it passed through quality control, but it did. And, well, even the fly is avoiding it. So that tells you everything. But otherwise, the thick shake was all right. Well, like I said, if you do want to go the Southern BBQ Chicken range and you do want the hot honey one, don't get the hot honey sauce on it, mate. Honestly, you'll regret it. And if you do get it, well, don't blame me if you do. But hey, look, don't take my word for it. Get one for yourself. Oh, hang on, the fly's coming for the honey. Good luck, fly, mate. I hope you enjoy it. You can have the rest of the hot pizza. Oh, he's invited a mate now. Oh, well, the flies like the honey at least. But anyway, there's the 2 new items from Domino's. Will you be whipping in to grab them? If you do, let me know your experience down below. If you made it this far in the video, why don't you show some thumbing love? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next fast food review. I'll see you then. Ooh, yeah.